There we go. That tightened down all the way around. Dowel pins. We're going to slide those in right there and there. There we go. Now we're going to take these M5x20 screws. I think there's 6 of them that mount that down. There we go. We're going to take this bolt out. And they included a clip with a longer screw, so we can mount this without the cable getting in the way. Have that step. There's an extra clip on the cable, an adhesive sticker over where the screw is going to go. I'm not going to take that up right now. Plug this thing in, so I'm squeezing it, and then that opens that dust cover. So the dust cover flips and goes back like that, so back towards the wall. You've got to open that up first before you can plug this in. So we're plugged in now. Power this on, and it should adjust. That's what we should see. We're going to check the functionality of the 4th axis. We're going to enter a command, check 4th, underscore 4th, then we'll send. Check 4th beginning. Let me go back down there and film that. Keep it right there on the edge. Alright, we're going to power this down. So power it down so that we can get this piece in there. So the end that we drilled is going to go this side. We're going to place that in. Center that up before we tighten it down at all. And now we can make sure that's flush up against there before we stop. There we go. There we go, that's snug. Tighten that one down. I think those are as tight as I can get it. Good. And so we also want to make sure that these are set with the axis. To turn that back on, gets it back to the start position. Let's go File, Rotation, Nefertiti, and we're going to select that one. Okay, there's the rough cutout. Run. We've got to set everything. Coordinates, 4th axis origin is there. X is 50, Y is 0. Okay, we need scan margin, so it's there. Position, no configuration required. All right, it's going to produce a lot of dust. All right, so it's doing its thing. We got the probe in, so let's go film that. The probe is already done. It beat me to it. Number 1, that's exactly what we used on the other relief. And then we're going to need a number 2. There we go. Produces a lot of dust, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to run back to the computer and get that set up. This is the roughing. So we're going to let it do its thing, and then we'll come back in and check later. Let's go ahead and vacuum. Change out the tool that we used for roughing. There we go, got that one ready. That with tool 2 to do the fine detail. So I'm going to go back and finish this up on the computer. Other one's done. We're going to hit, now we're going to go to the finish. We're going to go in here, open the task configuration. Let's go 50 here. That's what they've got in their example. And 0 in the Y. Uncheck scan margin. Uncheck auto Z probe. Go ahead and hit run here. We need to confirm that we got tool 2 in there. So tool 2 is starting to do the fine detail. Should open that up enough for us to pull that out. Sand that down.